Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Microsoft SharePoint app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Microsoft SharePoint is a collaboration and content management platform developed by Microsoft, designed to help organizations share information, manage documents, and coordinate projects efficiently. The app provides access to team sites, document libraries, lists, and workflows, with integration into Microsoft 365 tools like Teams, Outlook, and OneDrive. It also supports real-time collaboration, version control, and customizable permissions. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate SharePoint for its robust document management, seamless collaboration, and integration with Microsoft 365. It allows teams to work together on files, track project progress, and automate routine workflows. Many organizations also value the security features, including data encryption, compliance tools, and permission controls. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. New users may find the interface complex and challenging to navigate. Setting up sites and workflows can be time-consuming, and occasional sync or access delays have been reported. Additionally, maximizing SharePoint's potential often requires training or familiarity with Microsoft 365 ecosystem features. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Microsoft SharePoint app may be worth using if your organization needs a secure, integrated platform for collaboration and document management. It excels in flexibility, integration, and team collaboration. However, if you're looking for a simpler, standalone tool or aren't ready to invest time in learning the platform, it might feel overwhelming. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.